Good morning, everyone. We are now in the lesson about using the different kinds of adjectives in Unit 2, Lesson 4. Okay, what is adjectives? Adjectives describe a person, an object, a place, or an event. They are also known as describing words. So adjectives, okay, which is describing a person, an object, or a place, or an event. There are two kinds of adjectives, the descriptive adjectives and limiting adjectives. So the adjectives, there are two kinds. So descriptive adjectives are divided into two kinds. So yung descriptive adjectives also divided into two kinds. This is the common adjectives and the proper adjectives. So let's know more about this. When we say common adjectives, are the more widely used describing words. They are used to describe a color, size, shape, taste, and texture. Example of this is good, bad, tall, short, beautiful, red, yellow, smooth, rough, thin, thick, round. Okay, for example, the flower is color red. So, or the flower is red. So, the flower is being described as its color is red. Okay. A proper adjectives are proper nouns used as adjectives. They refer to the origin of nouns described. Example, I like Swiss chocolate. So, Swiss is a proper noun referring to the people and language in Switzerland. So, the sentence modifies the noun chocolate, thus telling the kind of chocolate the person likes. So, yung Swiss, so yun yung proper noun na ginamit. Then, yung chocolates, which is modifies that is the noun, okay? The noun there is the chocolate. So, in the sentence, that modifies the chocolate. So, I like Swiss chocolate. Opo. Then, another example, he had Belgian waffles for breakfast. So, Belgian modifies the noun waffles. So, yung Belgian, yun yung nagmo-modifies doon sa noun na waffles. Another example, spider shells are a common Cebuano delicacy. Okay. Cebuano modifies the noun delicacy. So, yung noun doon is yung delicacy, okay, which is the Cebuano modifies the noun, which is the delicacy. Okay. A limiting adjective, okay, it is the another kinds of adjectives, is an adjective that modifies a noun or pronoun by restricting it rather than describing its qualities or traits. Okay, so look at the table. Limiting adjectives, okay, articles, okay, pronominals, and numerals. So, articles, they use a and the. Okay, so pronominals, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives. And the numerals, these are cardinal, which is 1, 2, 12, 8. Okay, ordinal, pag sinabing ordinal, this is first, fifth, third, last, and so on. Kinds of limiting adjectives. So let's go to the first kind of limiting adjectives, which is the articles. These are different or indefinite articles. Okay, example, a and an are indefinite articles that modify a noun. Indefinite articles indicate nouns that are indefinite or general. Okay, example, a ferry boat can take you to Cebu City proper. Okay, the article a refers to the noun ferry boat. Since an indefinite article was used, the subject could be any kind of ferry boat. Another, an adventure waits for every tourist. Okay, the article an modifies the noun adventure. The subject could be any kind of adventure. Okay, the word the is a definite article that modifies a noun. A definite article is used to refer to or indicate a specific thing. Example, the city of Cebu can be rediscovered with a new things to do. The article the modifies the noun city. It refers specifically to the city of Cebu, not just any part of Cebu province. Number 2, the pronominals looks like pronouns but act as adjectives. These always come before a noun. Okay, so let's go with the demonstrative adjectives. Point out specific nouns. The demonstrative adjectives are this, that, those, and this. Example, this jeepney can take us to Lapu-Lapu City. So, the word this, demonstrative adjective this, modifies the noun jeepney. It refers to the singular object that is near to the speaker. Okay, so malapit siya doon sa nagsasalita. So, when we say this, okay, this is jeepney. Okay, so malapit siya doon sa jeepney. So, yung nagsasalita. That, okay, that jeepney can take us to Lapu-Lapu City. Okay, the word demonstrative adjective that modifies the noun jeepney. It refers to the singular object that is far from the speaker. So, ibig sabihin yung nagsasalita ay malayo. So, tinuturo that. Okay, that jeepney can take us to Lapu-Lapu City. Another demonstrative adjectives, this. These dried mangoes bring pride to our local industry. So, the word this, modifies the noun mangoes. So, it refers to plural objects that are near the speaker. So, pag sinabi nitong this, so, malapit din sa nagsasalita, but in the plural objects. So, mangoes. So, it's in the plural objects. Okay, another demonstrative adjectives, those. Okay, those dried mangoes bring pride to our local industry. So the demonstrative adjective those modifies mangoes. It refers to plural objects that are far from the speaker. So it is in the plural objects, but it is far doon sa nagsasalita. So, malayo. So, tinuturo niya, those dried mangoes can bring pride to our local industry. However, this demonstrative function as pronouns when they do not precede a noun. Example, this is my leather bag. Okay? Or another one, that is my father's new jeepney. So, this is also a demonstrative function as pronouns when they do not precede a noun. Okay. Interrogative adjectives. Begin an interrogative sentence. The interrogative adjectives are what, which, and whose. Okay. So, ito yung mga interrogative adjectives that we can use. Example, what bus station will take us to Mantayupan Falls? Okay. The limiting adjective what modifies the noun bus station. So, this is the question. So, what is the modifies the noun bus station? So, what bus station will take us to Mantapuyan Falls? So, another one. Okay, which. Okay, which refers to a choice. So, when we choose which, it refers to a choice. So, when we say what, refers to of an object. Okay, example of which ride do you want to take to go to the city? Okay, the limiting adjective which modifies the noun ride. Okay, so which, so that is the limiting adjective that we use, which is modifies the noun, which is the noun is the right. So next, whose. Okay, whose refers to the owner of an object. So when we say whose, so ito ay nagre-refer daw sa mamay-ari ng isang object. Example, whose guitar is this? Okay? The limiting adjective whose refers to the noun guitar. So yung noun, which is the guitar, so the limiting adjective that we use is whose. Possessive adjectives show ownership or possession. The possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, her, and their. Okay, so this can be singular or plural. Okay, so in the first person, my Cebu tour was exciting. So singular, when we say singular, my, so isa lang. When it is plural, so our bags are filled with different goodies from Cebu. So the plural possessive adjectives that use is are. So in singular, possessive adjective is my. Okay, that is in the first person. So yung nagsasalita ay yung mismong nagsasalita. Okay, the second person, this is your ticket for the museum. Okay, so the word, the possessive adjective your, which is in the singular form. In the plural form, these are your photos of our Cebu adventure. So, plural form, so your, okay, mapapansin nyo, so yung these, okay, yung VES, so that is in the plural form, which is yung ginamit na possessive adjective, which is your. Okay, so that is talking on the second person, which is talking to another person. Okay, in the third person, example, in the singular, this is his Cebu vacation package. So, singular form kasi his, okay? So, another one, this is her itinerary of activities. So, yung singular kasi her, okay? So, isa lang. So, when plural, these are their world-class products. So, the word possessive adjective there, which is in the plural form, and the person is talking in the third person. Okay, number 3, numerals. Okay, it refers to numbers. Okay, numbers modify nouns too. So, yung numbers nag-modify sa also in a noun. Okay, let's go. For the cardinal refers to counting numbers. Okay, so we stay in Cebu. Example, we stay in Cebu for 3 days. So, the numeral 3 modifies the noun, okay, days. Okay, how many days? So, 3 days. So, that is the numeral 3, which is in the cardinal form. Okay, letter B, in the ordinal. Okay, when we say ordinal, ordinal refers to numbers that suggest order or ranking. So, it is in the order, okay, or in a ranked way. So, example, we took the second flight bound to Manila. Okay, the word second, okay, the numeral second modifies the noun flight. So, second, which is in the ordinal, okay, so second modifies the noun flight. Okay, for your activity, this is what we're going to do. Supply the correct proper adjectives for the following proper nouns. Then, add a noun to be modified by the proper adjective. The first one has been done for you. Okay, for the number one already answered. So, for example, okay, Ilocos. So, proper adjective is Ilocano. Then, the noun modified is cuisine. So, you can start on the number 2 answering until to number 6. Then, for your next activity, on the line, write the most appropriate descriptive adjective for the following sentences. So, okay, what you are going to do is choose or write the appropriate adjective that the sentence needed to be so that the sentence will be completed. Okay, it is 1 to 5. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening.